judgment कि लोग क्या कहेंगे वाला, it's not present in my universe. I do care what people think, but the constructs of the society, like marriage, like इतने time पे इतने पैसे हो जाने चाहिए, it never ever ruled me only. I bypassed it.
Welcome to Unbound, Kanika.
Thank you.
Finally.
Thank you, my pleasure, Mamta. Thank you for having me over.
It's an absolute delight. मतलब मैं इतना कुछ जानती हूँ आपको और आपके बारे में. Yet we are meeting for the first time,
Yeah.
and that's the power of social media.
Social media,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely.
So just to start, of course, yet another unstoppable human who will give up on nothing. कहाँ से है ये फायर, इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से है भाई?
ये पता नहीं है. I seriously don't know from where. लेकिन थोड़ा सा मेहनत गया है to kind of keep it burning. Yes. I mean, I would not say that अंदर से, I guess अभी में होती है, उसको फैन करती रहती हूँ, उसको बुझने नहीं देती.
Yeah.
That is my effort. I will not say fire बस मेरे अंदर है. I think it's in everybody. I see it in everybody. But it's about the fanning वो जो होता है ना,
Yeah.
especially सर्दी के मौसम में fan करती हूँ.
For sure. But you know what? It's not easy,
Yeah, it's not easy.
right?
It's not
to,
easy.
to keep fanning that fire and first to identify कि हाँ मुझ में है. I have these desires. I want to do so much in life. I want to achieve so much, especially as a woman, especially in Indian context.
Yeah.
What has kept you going at it?
My mother actually is a very, very strong influence on me. She is very progressive in her thinking and very spiritual. She's a psychotherapist as well.
Oh,
By the
wow.
way, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So,
And she must have started like back then.
nahin, back then I won't say. She started when I was in college.
Okay.
Yeah, she got her certification then. So that's what. She has that thing that पढ़ाई करनी है तो कभी भी करनी. She's got a PhD about 7 years ago. So she's वहाँ से भी आता है. So I have to begin from my mother.
Yeah.
But in the same breath, my mother, I think, was born at a time which was not conducive to her development as a woman.
Yeah.
North India, like you said, belongs to a place called Karnal, which is now, of course, coming up. But I mean, you can imagine. And Kurukshetra, like, you know, those kind of places. So, वो तो typical time था. I'm talking about my grandparents. कि
Yeah.
उन्होंने ऐसे किया होगा.
Yeah.
कि हाँ इंटेलिजेंट हो, स्पिरिचुअल हो, वेरी गुड, बट शादी करनी है. यू नो, आई मीन इवन टुडे वी सी दैट.
Yeah.
So
घर संभालना है.
घर संभालना है. So I think that's the source. So now imagine, and then being that generation, now that woman with the progressive thinking had me as her first child, daughter. Somewhere she projected all her dreams onto me. Now she did it in the best intentions. Unfortunately, and I will say unfortunately, for me there was a lot of pressure growing up. My father's a doctor. It was unfortunate. I will never place blame on them. Never.
Yeah.
Today I've understood that. I used to place blame on them for the longest time because you have to really stop lying to yourself and start accepting a few things when you stop placing blame.
Absolutely.
Because I don't place blame on myself also anymore. I take responsibility. I own up. So I realized this recently. But going back to that time, it was a lot of pressure on me. Yeah. It was because I was a good student. And at that time, being a good student meant ABC wale careers. Bas. I always wanted to be an artist and a dancer. Always. Always. But I could never even say it. इतना ज़्यादा pressure या जो भी आप बोलोगे उसको raise while I was growing up, family से, the extended relatives, इतना ज़्यादा था, doctor ही बनना है. So I didn't even have the voice to say that may I please try something else because I think I'm very creative. You know, I'm a very creative and a very human mind interest wala person, like what goes on in people's minds.
mind,
That I've been from my childhood. I mean, I'm not boasting here, Mamta. I'm telling you the truth. From the age of, I think, 6 or 7, I've held people's secrets. Like, मेरे को, abhi today, sitting here with you, I can very easily say there are more than 2,000 people I've spoken to in my life who say this, कि ऐसे लगता है I've known you for ages.
Yeah.
आप तो social media के basis पे बोल रहे थे
Yeah.
मेरे को. I'm talking about when I was born. तब से, since the age of 5 or 6, that, you know, somehow I feel there's a connection with you. Somehow I feel that we know each other. I don't know why I told you so much, Kanika. And not my age people. So if I'm 18, a 40-year-old lady telling me. Now, that, I wish I would have tapped upon that.
Yeah.
That I love art and I love this and make that a profession. So cutting the long story short, again not placing blame. उस time पे we were discussing before the thing
Yeah.
started that पैसा कमाने का वो सब
Yeah.
a little bit of scarcity.
Yeah.
I am
And be secured. Get
be
into a
secure
secure.
कि बाकी सब ठीक है
Yeah.
बेटा ये सब करते रहना. So then I went into architecture.
Was it out of rebellion?
No, it was not because I couldn't get through any medical. Not a single.
This wasn't a calculated move, na Kanika, that I will flunk, I will not get through, and then I'll do
No,
what I
yeah,
want to
no
do.
entrance exams. I wanted to be in the best books of my parents. कि वो होता भी है एक older daughter syndrome, and you want to prove to them.
Yeah.
होता है एक,
Yeah.
you know. Even though it's not going in the right direction, but you still don't know who you are, and you just want to please them.
Yeah.
You know. So
Because so much appreciation comes your way, so much
Exactly.
acknowledgement always comes
Exactly.
your way. that
Exactly.
Pressure to perform.
That was crazy. So I didn't get through, and I was like, oh my god, इनके तो पूरे dreams destroy हो गए हैं, you know. And at that time, you don't know better. Because your parents are everything. Today's children I see being different. I'm raising my child differently
Yeah.
based on that.
Yeah.
But that happened. So I was like, architecture happened by chance. I was happy. इनका चलो closest to creativity.
They approved.
Yeah, they were very happy because professional college.
Yeah.
Stamp,
Yeah.
professional college. So that was great. 5 years from a college called SPA Delhi. Great college,
Yeah.
you know. So, but again, I did not get my bearings there also because it's technical. It's too technical.
Okay.
I'm not cut out to be an architect. But there was one part of it I was really enjoying, which was the design. You know. So thank God for that. That's where the story I would say began. I would give 60% of who I am today to my learnings in SPA. It's a very open environment for any time. जैसे अभी अगर हम यहाँ पर हैं तो उसका environment next level पे होगा.
Yeah.
Open, too open.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Ahead
can
of
be
its time.
ahead of its time can be judged also that what the hell is going on. But I think from there I started to at least understand that I have very low self-esteem. It was there, and that I have inferiority complex. It was there that it started because everybody was awesome. I mean, because most people were there because they wanted to be there. I didn't want to be there. I was again trying to live my parents' dreams that
Yeah.
they are so happy. उनके cycle, उनके circle में, they are proudly saying my daughter's from SPA. Yay!
Yeah. It's the tag.
Of self-worth which you've outsourced to something else. That's the start. So you're saying, right, that वो fire थी हमेशा से नहीं थी या थी but दबी हुई थी.
Yeah.
It's when I धीरे धीरे realized that किस चीज़ से दबी हुई है, low self-esteem and inferiority complex is, but life was happening.
Yeah. Life would happen.
Life was happening on the side. Shadi happened. First shadi happened. Around the first shadi's failure is when I think the first layer came off of inferiority complex. That, oh my God, like the way you perceive me, maybe, or some people do
Yeah.
perceive me sometimes as X in a positive light.
Yeah.
I have only begun to see myself like that this year, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, which is perfectly human. I think I have gone through many similar spaces. But something that we all deal with is the fear of failure and fear of judgment. Now,
Yeah.
when the first marriage or relationship comes apart, there's a lot that gets exposed and
Yeah.
a lot that becomes a food for thought for no reason for people to pick and gossip,
Yeah.
to maybe bitch, if I may say. How did you deal with that?
This is very interesting, you know. So I feel, and I've been told enough number of times, today I take it as a strength, that I am very naive and buddhu in a good way. Like,
Yeah.
worldly kuch aata jata nahi
yeah,
hai.
yeah.
Today I use that to my advantage. मेरे को जानना भी नहीं है. Therefore, that is a bubble around me that protects me from judgment. I feel that is why I do whatever the hell I want to even today. I'm seriously telling you, the judgment कि लोग क्या कहेंगे वाला, वो मतलब it's not present in my universe.
Really?
It is just not present in terms of society, not image. Society के जो rules बने हुए हैं, कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, शादी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, फिर बच्चा होना चाहिए, फिर लेडी को ऐसे होना चाहिए. The society's constructs, they are not there in my head. हाँ, my self-image, that how am I being seen to the world? Yes, they are there.
That is important.
That affects me also.
Yeah.
That how am I being perceived? Yes. ये बोलना that I don't care what people think, it's a lie. I do care what people think. But the constructs of the society, like marriage, like इतने टाइम पे इतने पैसे हो जाने चाहिए, एक
Yeah.
आपने प्रोफेशन ले लिया उसको नहीं छोड़ते ऐसे.
Yeah, that's like a deep-seated conditioning.
Conditioning.
basically. Yeah.
वो because of the buddhupan, it never ever ruled me only. I bypassed it. That's
very innocently.
innocently
like, very
bypassed it very nicely. कि जब पैसा मारा वहाँ से कि वो नौबत ही नहीं आई कि अफेक्ट भी कर पाए, मतलब बाईपास हो गया.
But I would still go back to that question that
बैक टू द मैरिज
yeah,
वाला
because
bit.
see, एक आइडिया होता है सबका परफेक्शन का, है ना, कि ठीक है मेरे लिए मे बी पैसा नहीं है बट मेरे लिए खुशी है, मेरे लिए डिजायर्स नहीं है बट सेटिस्फैक्शन है, कुड बी एनीथिंग, राइट?
yeah.
बट व्हेन थिंग्स डू नॉट फॉल इन दोज पैरामीटर्स द वे दैट यू हैव kind of envisioned it to, how do you pick yourself up? How do you pick your broken self up? One, to be resilient, countering what is happening in the now, and then be preparing yourself for a better, brighter future.
Okay, so I'll answer this in two ways, in two steps actually. First up, for me, I won't say perfection, it's more peace. Where am I in line? Like
Yeah.
the whole thing in line is when I'm feeling okay. And that I've now owned that. Pehle, I have been told all my life that itna feel mat kiya. In fact, ulta hota tha pehle.
Yeah.
Why do you feel so much? Why are you so sensitive? This, that. Today, it's my biggest strength.
Yeah.
Matlab, my untouchable strength. That now nobody come close to me. But wo abhi hai. This I'm talking now. Arav, my son, was about 14 years ago. Arav was turning 14.
Yeah.
So more than 14 years ago actually.
Yeah.
15 years ago. When the marriage, for whatever reasons, wasn't really working, it was just a feeling here
Got
that I'm not okay. And मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ, मतलब मेरे को अच्छा तो नहीं, मेरा तो हंसने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा है. And I'm typically a person, my equilibrium is excited and happy. When I say happy, excited, like
Yeah.
bouncy.
Yeah.
That's my equilibrium. When your equilibrium se niche you're operating, so whether I can say it in so many words or whether I know how to express myself is secondary. Primary is I'm not feeling okay.
Yeah.
And for me, that's been my guiding light always.
Yeah.
ये वो ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. So that is then.
That's also your sixth sense in a way.
Yeah,
we can
oh,
say.
it's solid,
Yeah,
which
right?
started to develop then. That was the first
yeah.
time I touched upon it.
Yeah.
तब से that is the fire. It's now interconnected. So I told my parents, that's when the friction began. And of course, the society, that way same. मारता तो नहीं है, उसका affair तो नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने कहा none of these, yeah. The guy is also quite decent actually. Then मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा. I don't feel like. That was tough. Then the judgments came from the family. ऐसे then everybody starts to
Yeah.
tell their own marriage ka stories
Yeah.
and how they are sacrificing and how it's important. All power to everybody. I'm not sitting here to say, so I don't care, you know. Nahin. Everybody, all women, all men do decide to choose
Yeah.
what they want to. So till about 5-6 years ago, I used to also look down on those people कि तुम क्यों मुझे बता रहे थे, हाँ तुम्हारी शादी तो चल नहीं रही है. Today I'm at a place where नहीं. Everybody chose what they want to. Everybody's found their peace. But I wasn't finding my peace. And I used to cry a lot from my soul. There's a different crying, which I know. So I was like, if nobody wants to support me, it's cool. I'm still going to work out. I don't care. And now, all the more, when I've chosen to have a child now, ये पता नहीं कहाँ से आया था, but आया था कि अगर मेरा बेबी नहीं होता तो शायद I would have still continued to make everybody happy.
Oh,
Now, yeah, it
it's
was
the
ulta.
other way round.
It was ulta. I was like, because Arav came after a missed abortion. I had a missed abortion before that. And I know I went through hell. Previous. वो होता ही है. It was not even a miscarriage. It was a missed abortion. It's very common. But again, I told you, na, in that bubble, कुछ पता होता नहीं है दुनिया के बारे में. So it hurt me quite badly. Then again, when I chose to get pregnant, I'm like, okay, here's a soul that's entered. And I'm not going to give it happiness. I will give it society के shoulds. नहीं, that doesn't work. It's just not adding up. It's not adding up. So I want out. I don't care. That's when my parents supported me, my mother.
Yeah.
when she saw me crying like that. She was like, something's not right.
Right.
And yeah, you can go on picking and saying, finding reasons with lawyers, blah, blah. Then we came to the beautiful word incompatibility. मैं कहा चलो यही use कर लो, ठीक है.
Yeah.
That's when. And as far, yes, my life began when I became a single mother. That's when the dunyadari. Because I came to Gurgaon then. I was in Pune.
Okay.
Pune is a sweeter place. It's got
Yeah.
nicer people. Gurgaon sucks in terms of, I'm sorry, it does. In terms of, and it's become worse in terms of
Really?
interpersonal human relationships.
But you know how gets projected as a
It's a lie.
millennial city
It's a lie.
and a
It's a lie. Gurgaon is a lie. It is दिखाता कुछ और है
Farce.
और अंदर कुछ और है. And I'm saying this on the basis of actually having been to so many people's houses for all the work that I do. Everything that I do, I have to go into people's houses and sit with them for hours. चाहे वो art हो, even Zumba, even life coaching,
Yeah.
minimalism,
Yeah.
anything. Even voice of silence that I do,
Yeah.
I talk to people.
Yes.
Or I go, so
either into
It's-
their house or in their heart somewhere.
in
you
their
have to-
heart, very, very deep.
Space.
There's not a single society, I think, in Gurgaon that I've not been to for something or the other. Or painting, there's something in their wall art or furniture art, whatever, interiors, architecture earlier, right? Gurgaon, of course, it has its very beautiful heart, Chota Sa, which is a group of very nice people. When I say nice, what I mean, everybody's nice, but basically दिखाने के दांत और हैं और खाने के और हैं गुड़गांव के.
What were your teething issues with Gurgaon?
Initially, in the same breath, I would like to say I grew with Gurgaon. I'm talking about today.
Yeah.
That time, it was because I dealt with men then. I was a single mother because I wanted to I was an architect, so I wanted work as an architect that time. I had no other qualification, right? So I started to go to real estate offices, ye wo. Just walking on the streets, literally. Like literally walking. कि ये मेरा CV है, अब मैं लेके जाऊंगी. Ara was 1+. So I was like, okay, I was at a zero. I was in all possible ways. Thank God. वरना शायद यहाँ नहीं आती मतलब mentally. So zero in terms of money, in terms of everything, like nothing. Even my health, mental health, everything, zero. So I was like, okay, तब नहीं समझ आया था कि you are at zero. तब ये था, now you have to survive.
Zid?
Zid हो सकता है, but zid in what sense? Like what kind of a zid are you referring to? I'm asking you.
कि अपने लिए कुछ करना है, कुछ करके दिखाना है. मैं
हाँ.
करूँगी. This is.
वो
I
वाली
will not
जिद.
bow down or I will not.
Yeah, वो वाली
surrender.
जिद थी, which propelled me in a positive way, where within a year I rebuilt myself. Within 1 year, I did everything that I could. Everything. Like the tiniest of jobs, where there was, being an artist, I think I have a nice handwriting. So there was a poster that was put somewhere in the colony that I was in. And by the way, I also moved out of my parents' house. I was with them when I came here. But within about a year, I said I want to move out. So they were like, you can't be doing one after the other things which are stupid.
Yeah.
That
Or making you more vulnerable.
more vulnerable. पूरे fronts खोल रहे हो आप.
Yeah.
I was like, nahi. Because what is happening is when I'm with my parents and they are authority and my child is growing up. So he will see mama and I'm getting dependent on you कि rent free है, खाना free है. Are you living with your parents, right? They're your parents, they look after you. So then it makes me complacent. What am I teaching my child? फिर वहाँ से निकल के यहाँ क्या? कि शादी नहीं, you couldn't go through with that marriage. So now you're going to come here. What am I teaching my child then? That my mother's a victim. She came, my nana nani are really nice. They took care of my mother. Is this the story he's going to talk about? So I was like, I need to go out.
Proof
Ever.
क्या करना है करने का?
मुझे अभी कुछ प्रूव नहीं करना है, अभी अंदर जाना है, अभी. But if you're asking that time, it was to prove to the world, which is my parents mainly. I think मेरे लिए तो world मेरे parents ही थे. And maybe some people who had put me down. वो 4 लोग ही होते हैं जिनको प्रूव करना होता है. हम दुनिया बोलते रहते हैं. कोई दुनिया has been clapping only. दुनिया has been applauding me. It's those 5-6 people who have put you down. You want to prove, and your parents. They've not put you down, but you want to prove to them that I can do this alone. That was that time. In hindsight, Mamta, that time it was not my motivation. And I will now prove to them. No, my motivation was, okay, what next? What next? Where can I put Arav? Which school can you go to? Now how do I earn my money? I've got this much. Tab wo nahi tha. Now when I look back in hindsight,
Yeah.
it was proved to my parents that you always measured my self-worth with my excellence, and you never accepted me for who I am. Because of that, I find myself at a lack of self-love and self-worth.
Yeah.
But well, you have it your way. Ho gaya proof. Now let me lead my own life. And that new life came when I got remarried. Tab, of course, nayi kahani shuru hui, but
Yeah.
that was the point.
So, if you would like to invite someone who is an unstoppable human or would just want to have a conversation with me, write to me at unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. That is unboundwithmamtaa@gmail.com. You can also follow my Instagram @Mamta Podcaster. That is MAMTAA Podcaster. This point of highly sensitive person. Now, take me through this, Kanika. Somebody who has so much fire, whose constant life is in action. She just wants to create, express all over. We see you all over. And we think, and I'm talking just from the audience point of view, someone who, really dotes on you, really admires your work and appreciates you. How do we not get intimidated with your resilience? And how do we see you as sensitive? Because your power, what you create, comes through from the space of a lot of strength. And deep down is so much sensitivity. How does one really, how does one really add up to that? That this is the same person who has so much strength, so much power, so much energy, and some way she's so sensitive. How do we...
Oh, that's... Okay, this is coming as a... this I did not expect. Okay, this is like a mirror being given to me in a way. Wow, okay. I don't know how to answer this. I have never perceived myself as being perceived as a strong, like, intimidating person. Like I told you, my self-esteem has been very low. I've always thought that people are thinking, sometimes that, I don't know, that isko samajh nahi aa raha hai kuch aur, like,
Yeah.
I never thought it was coming, that it's being looked at as strength. I'm glad if it is.
It is.
I am so happy if it is, because that's my biggest strength. Sensitivity, number one. And resilience. Resilience, why? Because I think... कहाँ से आया है resilience? यार मेरे को खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा है. But I think the constant never being very self-centered, Mamta. It's kind of like I'm talking to the audience here or
Yeah.
you. Is I will take away from this that this is how it's happening, and maybe now express even more. Not just for myself, even for people like me. I'm not alone in this world. I'm sure there are millions like me, right?
Yeah.
Now I will I didn't know this dimension. And I feel I can, and I do not, I feel I can, I'm the most comfortable with everybody. Like I can talk to anybody, and because I feel we are all the same. That used to be my motto at a certain point in time. We are all the same, So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to express a little more. Okay, this is surprising, but I'm going to... Thank you for saying this, Mamta. I'm going to express myself even more. I'm going to put myself out even more. I want to get to a place where आप यहाँ देख रहे हो तो आपको पीछे दिख रहा है. मेरे को वहाँ पहुँचना है. तभी मैंने आपको कहा था I don't have any privacy. Ask me anything, I'll tell you openly. बल्कि मुझे बोला जाता है. मेरे को बचपन से बोला जाता था, बहुत बोलते हो. इतना सारा चीज़ें बाहर नहीं बोलते. मेरे को अंदर बाहर का समझ नहीं आता. मेरे को नहीं आता है.
There's no filter.
There is, and एक filter है. I'm very polite. I will never. Those etiquettes come from the army. I will not hurt you. There's a way of speaking, and I take offense, and I get very angry when I see people not using the right words. I'm not talking about abuse. Bad words. I love bad words. Mamta, you should see them.
That is another version. I think we'll have to do another episode. Even then the different Mamta has to also come forward.
I love using bad words. You have no idea. In my alone time with my husband,
With your husband.
with the not to him, with him.
With him.
एंड नए नए जो आते हैं हम लाइक यार कब यूज कर रही हूँ ये वर्ड्स यार. सो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट साइड टू मी.
Yeah.
बट hurting people or entitlement,
Yeah.
I have allergic reactions to. I can and I've done this in public.
Yeah. I said that and I thought, I felt so compelled to say it is because what we do in one area of our life gets done in many other areas of our life.
Yep.
So when you say that you've disconnected with your own people for reasons that sometimes even,
Yeah.
you're also not
Yeah.
very clear about, yaar, hua kya? I was just being very myself, or
Yeah.
this is who I am. If they can't accept me for who I am, but this could really be very, very intimidating for someone
When you're saying for someone,
who could be your own, who could associate with you as very you. Like, I have never met Kanika, but I do feel there's a certain sense of love or, compassion and then oneness that I feel.
Yeah.
And I definitely didn't want to tick her off on the very first thing that it's just my thing, which I'm projecting. But it is coming from something that also is reflecting back that,
Yeah.
okay, I take it tough. If I can be here on time, you can be here too. And hazar other things, which has nothing to do with you, honestly. But that's how humans are.
that is true. That is true. And yes, I will not deny that there are a few value systems. Yes, I live by. Those were the ones I was talking to you before
Yeah.
the show that I've built them
Yeah.
over time. I use the word time. For me, time, they say time is of essence, but I think my biggest value system, which I learned in my NLP certification,
Yeah.
because you're taught value system, there are like 60 of them, and there is a process, like how will you deal with clients and kya hota. It's a
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
That's when I realized my biggest, the biggest
Asset
value
or
system
yeah.
is punctuality.
Punctuality. Yeah.
Now that said, because you're being so open, yes, it will cross my mind
Yeah.
that okay, I'm on time,
Yeah.
and maybe the person is running late.
And you know that it'll cross your mind has already crossed my mind.
So that's maybe because of who
Yeah.
you are. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not everybody is like you.
Yeah.
I have met a lot of entitled people who will keep me waiting, or anybody waiting for that matter,
Yeah.
and not even talk about it. That's my problem. It's a very tiny thing.
I know.
But somebody calling and I'm late. ठीक है यार. It's ये मेरा value system है. Like how some people have OCD for cleanliness.
Yeah, yeah.
But they
Yeah.
don't vomit all over other people that you
Yeah.
are,
Yeah.
this is my thing. It's not yours.
Yeah.
It's okay. And ऐसा भी कोई वो नहीं हुआ है. So-
Yeah. नहीं, और क्या होता है कि, and I relate to both the things because I am pretty much there but 100% not there, and there's no matching or measuring up to it. But cleanliness, like we talk about it, but you do expect, there is a certain sense of expectation that gets built in कि यार मैं भी तो कर रही हूँ ना. I'm also trying to keep this all up, right?
Yeah.
So I'm sure if you push yourself, you can. But there will be people who will falter, fail, break, and sometimes, not live up to it. Then do you make peace with it?
Here's a confession.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't, which is why I've hurt people very close to me.
That's what.
I have.
Yeah.
I have. And, oh shit, waterworks coming, everyone. That's when I learned that's where spirituality helps.
Yeah.
Because if I could not disconnect, I'll say detach from my parents. The whole cycle came where first I stopped talking to my parents, my source. Then I stopped talking to my own brother.
Yeah.
Then I isolated myself in my house with my husband and my child. And then with the whole healing journey, on one call, I was back with my parents
Yeah.
as if nothing happened. And on
Yeah.
one coffee, because my brother doesn't live here, one coffee he came from Bangalore. It's all as it was, but with a change
Yeah.
that I'm not detached in the best possible way. The way that they say, no expectations. These are people I love from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah.
But Mamta, let's say if I get to know you better and we spend some time together,
Yeah, yeah.
I will love you the same.
Yeah.
It's that with them. Now, because you asked me such a deep question, it is my life partner that I did have a lot of expectations from. To answer your question for the first time, because this is something that has just broken. And right now, in fact, it's just been a few days that I have told him. And he had been telling me that you get very controlling.
Yeah.
And I was like, अब यार जब आप अंदर हो तो आपको लगेगा ना कंट्रोलिंग वर्ड तो नेगेटिव है. एक्सक्यूज मी, आई एम नॉट कंट्रोलिंग.
Yeah.
But I saw the mirror after the healing.
Yeah.
I saw the mirror and I was like, you do what you have to. Nobody's stopping you. Don't expect that from others. And that equals controlling.
Yeah.
Don't be that person. Then what have you learned? You know? But then again, this was earlier. Today it is not out of questioning. There is a complete like, कनिका तुम्हारी जर्नी तो वो होनी ही थी. अपने आप को दोष मत दो. और तुमने भी बहुत किया है. ऐसा नहीं है तुम खराब इंसान. वो हो जाता है ना,
Yeah,
immediately
yeah.
attached.
We
Controlling
judge.
means I'm a bad
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
Control anything negative means I'm a bad person.
Yeah.
No, I may have displayed controlling behavior. I may have displayed insecure behavior. I'm not insecure, dude.
Yeah.
Neither am I controlling. No, I'm not.
And what I firmly believe, and I think this is just one of my recent quotes that I've just been quoting it so many times, that what goes for you goes against you. Too much of that will
very
always
interesting.
go against you.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Thank you
if-
for this one. Yeah.
Yeah, if you control, then of course you're keeping things in balance. You are helping them not just splash
Yeah.
out and spread out.
Yeah, that's true. That's a nice takeaway from today. It's the same coin. You're right.
Yeah.
I guess I got introduced to the other side of the coin very
Yeah.
recently.
Yeah.
And then came the actual concept of, because I would feel sometimes that मैं पूरा प्यार क्यों नहीं कर पाती हूँ किसी को. अब रियलाइज हुआ क्योंकि मैं खुद को नहीं कर रही
करा
हूँ. अब रियलाइज हुआ है. So I'm like, that journey has begun as we speak, like days ago.
Yeah.
I'm on that journey now.
Beautiful. Tell me some of the biases that you've really had to drop, certain unlearnings, to be where you are today in your journey.
Women, the way I looked at women. Very nice you asked me this because I worked on it very consciously. Till about 6-7 years ago, I would look at women and judge. Ekdam judge and opinion and act.
Really?
Yes.
Like how?
Yes. Like, if she's like, okay, how I would not dressing ke upar, I've never judged anybody till date, but maybe how she's speaking or what she's doing.
Okay.
Yeah. What she's saying, let's say on social media or even personally, her viewpoints or whatever, I would just form a judgment. Ki, like if she's screaming too much or being very like little more aggressive, isse dur raho yaar.
Ah, okay.
You know, because she's got very strong opinions and sorry. That. Or if somebody is marriage mein, like I told you, I've spoken
Yeah.
to a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
I know a lot of women. We know a lot of women. They are being battered at their houses,
Yeah.
at their homes. They've told me. And they're still continuing. You know, I would judge them also. I would be like, why can't she get out? What is this? I judge you. Like that. Really, like till 6-7 years ago. Dheere dheere, you know, again, I'm judging them because I'm judging myself.
Yeah.
तो जब ये टूटा जिस दिन, so I was like, why am I judging? Do you know the story? When you got judged by, because I've got judged too,
Yeah.
by people मेरे face पे बोल के जाते हैं कुछ
Yeah.
भी, तब मुझे तो गुस्सा आता है कि आप, and men mostly, very few women have judged me, thank God.
At least not explicitly.
Not explicitly on my face, no.
Yeah.
Men on my face will say things like, you know, why can't you decide what you want to do? Like, why can't you choose one woman also has said it, but ठीक है, वो कहीं और से आ रही होगी. But men, why can't you decide, like, why do you have to do so many things, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in my head, I was like, well, why can't you keep your mouth shut? But that
Yeah.
I didn't say, but I was like, आपके घर से पैसे नहीं ले रही, नंबर वन.
Yeah.
आप मेरे हस्बैंड नहीं हो, ना मेरे पापा हो, ना मेरे भाई हो, ना मेरे बेटे हो, ना मेरे फ्रेंड हो. तो it used to piss me off.
Yeah.
So when it kept pissing me off, then I was like, but you're doing the same thing with other women.
How much of, again, I'll ask this question, how much of load bearing your people are doing with you to have someone so righteous around them? Someone so इंटेलिजेंट और एस्ट्यूट कि ये सही है और ये गलत है? डू यू थिंक बिकॉज सबकी हर कोई उतना इवॉल्व नहीं है, या वो शायद अपनी जर्नी पे है, या शायद उसको और 2 साल लगेंगे वो चीज़ समझने में. एंड particularly so, does it have a rub off on your
Rub off on my.
child?
Here I'll only have to talk about my life partner,
Okay.
Adi Chakravarti. Uh, we've had our ups and downs.
Yeah.
But today, while I sit with you, I feel that he has taken the maximum load. He's a very different person. He's taken. I have not shared his load as much as he has shared mine.
Yeah.
And because of that, because there is true love between us.
Yeah.
But जितना भी बोल सकते हो, मुझे love समझ नहीं आता अभी, but जो भी आप बोलते हो love को between people that are not related, like how I love my son, I don't love him. But the closest that I've been in love with somebody has been this person that I'm married to, Adi.
Yeah.
He has carried too much of my load, to the extent of somewhere losing himself.
Yeah.
Yeah. And today we are at a place where he's just lost his mother recently. And I am going to confess this publicly that I wasn't there for him, yaar. For whatever reasons, I will not explain. I'm just owning up and saying that I wasn't there for him because of my journey.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I would like
Yeah.
to say. And not out of bad intention, but I wasn't there for him. And I should have been. So today when I'm sitting in front of you, I'm realizing that load bearing, especially in a partnership, I will not call it marriage. I'm done with the word marriage. I don't like the word marriage. Brings in too much of crap in
Yeah.
between. This is my personal opinion. Please, anybody feels anything,
Just
by
like-
all means.
yeah.
Because anyways, ours has been an unconventional marriage. I mean, it's Chakravarti Kush Sharma.
Definitions don't
Right?
matter. Yeah.
But partnership wise, if I love somebody, I feel I commit to that person. And you're saying that I have those values, right? So that means if I'm committed, then be 100% committed, yeah, not half-assed way. He has been to his best. I have not been. Why? वो हमने discuss कर लिया. That's why. But can I today? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. So I want to be the load bearing for him now.
Yeah.
And what that does is then beautifully takes off my load also.
Absolutely.
Then I start to become less controlling, more easy,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
It's a very deep question, and thank you for asking me that.
Voice bhi hai, silence bhi hai. Voice of silence. Tell me, what was the brainchild? Like, where did it kick off, and how is it going?
So-
What's the journey?
The journey was after Vipassana. I was disintegrating from pain. I have felt, I can say it, yaar, I can say it. I know people will say that तुम्हारा pain हमारा pain अलग नहीं है. I agree.
Yeah.
But I'm a product of pain. I am. And I will say it. I am. Itna unbelievable pain I've been through all my life. That was the hilt of it, when I went for Vipassana. Why? Because of being unheard and ununderstood.
Okay.
So much. And a lot of events also, which lead to a lot of
Yeah,
pain,
yeah.
unresolved events. And then being who I am. ऐसे लगता था कि
Do you want to talk about any one event which you've recently healed with your?
Yeah, it would have to be abuse of all kinds,
Okay.
honestly. But there has been sexual abuse as well. Those would be the ones that women don't talk about. I'm talking about it because that'll be the most easily acceptable in terms of we've heard about it. But there has been psychological abuse, mental, physical. There has been. Now, I will never want to take the people's names, but there has been. There has been. And why? Just because I always was a sore thumb in the society that I don't belong. You know why? Because she's dumb or she's stupid or she's silly according to the society. Meaning, कुछ आता जाता नहीं है, समझ नहीं आ रहा, रोती रहती है, कोई feelings ही हैं बस. So, yeah, it's not been nice like that. The world. And isme I would exclude my parents. They have been part of it to some extent, but I'm just saying that
Yeah.
they are not part of this. But
Yeah.
growing up a lot.
Yeah.
A lot. Again, not blaming anybody today. Because when you understand yourself, then you know how to conduct yourself.
Yeah.
and how to have a separatedness. That's a new word that I came across.
Correct.
I'm always now carrying myself in a vessel.
But you don't choose these things, Kanika. When events
Yes,
happen,
you don't choose.
when circumstances go haywire, and when you now make sense of it, thread it all, and exercise that separateness, is this some sort of forgiveness?
Yes. Before forgiveness came acceptance. Before acceptance was curiosity. Before curiosity, so how it went was pain, 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 moving to trauma, 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 moving to bad behavior, bad behavior, bad behavior.
Yeah.
Then moving to why? Because it was coming to my loved ones, who I love. मतलब उनके लिए जान दे दूंगी मैं और उनको दुखी कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
That's a U-turn.
Yeah, it's like a,
Then it's a U-turn that, oh my God, something's up, dude. And never something's wrong with you. No. Something's up. Let's fix it. And I confront. That way, yes. I don't know, like you said, that you are more evolved. That I don't know. But I have the strength to confront.
yeah.
Yes. And that's the thing about sensitive people, because we live inside ourselves, na?
Yeah.
So our andars are very strong.
Yeah.
Bahar se we look like aise hi. So that strength came that nahi yaar. Then you walk on fire. Wo inside out swap
Yeah.
wala.
Yeah.
So walked on fire. That's where Vipassana came in, inner child therapy came in, a lot of counseling came in. Then I realized, Kanika, तुम्हारा तो unheard pain गया है. कितने लोगों का unheard गया होगा?
Yeah.
The purpose came in the front. I was like, you have to be the voice of other people's silence because you have been silent all your life. And I didn't think that मेरा silence धीरे धीरे heal होगा या ये मैंने नहीं सोचा था.
नहीं.
I was like, I'll be the medium. I listen to people's pain. Let me be that which nobody was for me.
Yeah.
Now it's moving to another level. People are getting healed. I am getting healed. People in the audience are getting healed.
Absolutely.
I'm like, great. Awesome.
Yeah.
That's how the talk show.
Yeah, it's like the mirror effect, right?
Yes.
Like everybody's looking
Yes.
into each other
Yes,
through that
yes,
mirror.
absolutely, absolutely.
Wow.
So that's the talk show called Voice of Silence. I have very big plans with it. I don't intend to stop it this way or that. 40 episodes done.
Super. More
Yeah.
power to you.
Thank you.
And I
Thank
think
you.
we'll be on the 40th by the time we'll release yours. So.
Oh wow, okay, that's great.
Yeah, we are almost like, yeah.
Awesome. All the best to you too. Yeah,
Yeah.
always. I mean, these things, people need to talk.
Yeah.
So I feel all of us are contributing to that. And
Yes.
the more, the merrier.
Yeah.
And even one person talking at a lot of places, even that. One person getting the same people, even that.
Even
in
that.
any form, I think we all need to talk.
Yeah. I think we've been too much of a silent, spectating
Yes.
society
Yes.
and just nitpicking and not being internalizing anything at all.
Yeah.
So,
And only looking up at maybe people who are famous or popular
yeah.
or celebrated, that उनकी कहानी सुनेंगे.
वो भी सिर्फ वही पार्ट जो हमें सुनना
सुनना
और
है.
देखना है.
Exactly. Never the
उससे आगे नहीं.
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I live in the uncomfortable. That's why I
You
said, ask
thrive
me.
in
I
it.
thrive. I search for discomfort, which my family members are बिचारे यार.
Yeah.
They are like,
अच्छी
please,
खासी.
please, अच्छे से चले जाए, ठीक से होटल ले ले. I'm like, किस लिए?
Adventure.
वो थोड़ा extreme है.
Yeah, yeah.
But just saying, I seek discomfort.
Yeah.
I operate the best there.
Yeah.
I do. I love it. I love the
We
uncomfortable.
can see it on your face, Kanika.
I give it to me. Throw it at me.
All right. So this is my personal favorite. And the last leg of the show, we called it a rapid reflex round. So I'm going to throw a volley of questions
Okay.
on you. I just want to answer in a word or maybe a sentence.
Okay.
Does that sound good, Kanika?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Totally ready for this.
All right. So let's get started. Life to you is, just complete the sentence.
Passion.
Love to you is?
Soulful.
Art to you is?
Heart. My heart.
One thing that you always do first thing in the morning as you wake up.
Smile and go for my walk.
Oh, nice. And one thing which is a must do as a last thing of the day.
Read a good book and sleep. Always.
Okay. Your Zen state. Any corner, anything which brings you to your Zen moment.
My blue sofa in the corner of my bedroom.
Beautiful. Compassion. How do you comprehend this?
A necessity in the world.
Your life purposes.
To heal people.
One person you've really idolized all your life.
All my life. All my life is Shah Rukh Khan.
Quirkiest answer.
It's Shah Rukh Khan, yeah. Why lie?
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan. Okay.
In every possible way, I idolized him. Now
Yeah.
let your imagination go nuts.
Wow.
But every possible way. Even mind and everything else, yes.
What about your favorite book? One favorite book or the one that you're currently reading?
Let me talk about the one that I'm reading. The Seat of the Soul by Gary Zukav. Oh man.
Travel, movie, people, what inspires you the most?
People first. Always. People. Beauty.
If not for the Kanika that you are today, what would you be?
Shit. I had an out of body experience. I'd be dead. Yeah. No. This is me. I own myself. No, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh shit. I had like a. Oh my god. Nothing. Not a cell different.
Yeah. Beautiful. One thing that you would like to tell your 16-year-old self.
That you're very beautiful, Kanika. You're very beautiful. Don't think otherwise. Everything that's happening in your life right now is temporary. Look at yourself through your own eyes.
Beautiful. Just complete this sentence for me. Humor is,
The essence of life.
and people should be.
Compassionate.
Absolutely beautiful that is, Kanika. Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank
With that,
you.
you've truly come unbound on the show. I mean,
Thank you.
We know you the way that you are, which is unbound, but this was awesome.
This is awesome. And I also need to say something that I think you're the word unbound and you use the word unlearn, unload. I think it's just so consistent with the name of your show, Mamta. And yes, you said there are no coincidences. And I agree fully, there are none. I'm just part of this moment in your life and my life that I'm here. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. And for all the episodes, you can come back to Unbound with Mamta, now available on 20 plus audio streaming platforms: Spotify, Amazon, Gaana, iTunes, Google Podcasts, or wherever else you get your audio. We are also available on YouTube at the Boss Hub channel. So keep unbounding together.